Hey, my name is Jacob Vollmer. I'm the owner of Skybird Roofing. I am here at 201 Hunters Creek Drive in Goldsboro, North Carolina. I'm about to do a little repair over here on kind of like the back side of the house here where I found a couple damaged shingles. And just to kind of see how this shingle holds up. I know it's older, showing signs not only of wind damage, but granular loss, just as it's kind of about halfway through its lifespan. Did notice over here, this is just kind of the first part of the video, I like to find moments like this where a roofer has been up before me. You kind of can see where I've outlined out damage to the original shingle where somebody has replaced this valley. And where I can kind of zoom in right here just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But actually by lifting these shingles above, it created damage to the original 3-tab shingle. So sliding these in, it usually goes up 2 courses, but in this case it went up a third. And it carries all the way down, and I'll show you one other area back here where they've done this addition. You'll see photos in our report that I imagine you'll get. That down here where they've had to tuck this shingle in and kind of create space, all of these shingles here at the very base have been creased and look very similar to what I just showed you here. So I'm gonna get right to my repair just so you can see how I operate, and we'll see anything resulting from that. I'm gonna be right here. All right, let's get to it. We've got one damaged shingle here, and I even missed one right over here, but this is where I'm gonna be. So you can kind of see the shingle that I'm gonna be replacing. I'm gonna replace it with black shingles so we can have some transparency about where we're going. Just wanna point out the above shingles and just show the prior and how clean it is. No visible damage to the shingles above. Let me block out the sun just so you get a good shot. I mean, maybe some stuff right here. So we'll just kind of, I won't even point that out, kind of like post repair, but I'm gonna get right to it. Here we go. Let's do it. Should have brought my good shoes today. All right, just got finished up. Want to just kind of bring you over here and show you what I've got. So you can see the new shingle that has gone in. I'm gonna ignore, I believe it was kind of this area right here. But what has happened is that new creasing has formed on the shingles above, here and here. I'm not gonna really rub on this area because these granulars would just fall right off. But even over in this area, this just split right here when I opened up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sealant and I'm gonna go back through all this and make sure everything is buttoned up real tight. What's gonna happen over the course of the next few weeks is you're gonna get rain, you're gonna get change of temperature, and more of these granulars are gonna fall off, and it's gonna begin to look like what these shingles look like down here, and then over in the valley, over on the other side of this roof pitch here. And so just by my assessment here, just what I'm seeing based off of how this shingle performed during this repair, I would deem this, in my professional opinion, not repairable. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my caulking and kind of reseal all this so that we don't have any water come in this area. And then we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.